Hello, I'm going to show you how to download a CSV or a spreadsheet of a single widget of data. You can filter the data that's going to be included in this spreadsheet or CSV by state or metropolitan area in the top of your dashboard. I have selected Colorado as the area of interest, and not all widgets have the ability to download the data, but you can determine this by hovering over the widget, and if this download button pops up in the top right hand corner, you're able to download data from that widget. So I want to see the distribution of HERS scores across all of the homes that we have in the Ecotrope database that were HERS rated. So I'm just going to click on that download button, and I'd like to download a spreadsheet. You can also save this as an image if you want to include this in an internal presentation, but we're going to download the data. And I have previously downloaded this data, and here you can see the distribution of HERS scores from 100 all the way down to 0, and how many different projects or HERS rated homes landed on that HERS rating.